No,
Here's Cole and Luke.
Stay, Luke.
Stay.
No.
You are so good at that. See, that's all you gotta do, Cole. Just
Lukey.
look.
Baby.
That's all. It's like, oh, that's nice.
We don't like to walk like, on his eyes.
Okay.
Hey, buddy.
What's going on here?
We gotta lay them next to each other like that and see if we can get one of both of them. If you will, well, I guess if you'll do it soon enough before he rolls over, huh?
Hey, you got one arm up.
Oh, it's hard.
Oh.
Is that the way you want it?
It's just like, oh.
There. He helped you. Screaming in Cole's ear. It's like,
Down after
You can't give up that easy.
now his bum's in the air.
his bait is right.
He's trying to roll over that way.
Uh-oh, you're gonna roll over into Cole.
In the eye.
Look how much he's moved.
I know. You're gonna be crawling soon.
He really is.
He gets himself to go. Oh, look at
You're a little worm. You're a little worm.
Feel like you're being.
It is funny. They do just like the same like noise that like get frustrated.
Yeah.
Like, look at this. I love that. Just pushing off. Luke, you're so tough.
Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Yeah, you got almost back.
Hey,
I'll get you again.
hey, Valence.
Can't get their heads up at the same time.
You're crowding him, Cole or Luke. Don't roll into him.
They're angry.